Hello, this is Mr. Loreline with your Literature 7 weekly roundup from November 16th until November 20th. So we are going to be looking over the Instagram project from Friday. Students are going to be presenting the character that they decided to put on the little Google Slides, similar to Instagram. Then we're going to read the short chapter, chapter 11, and still focus in on Central Idea this whole week. We'll read chapter 12 and have a little quizzes on Central Idea because, again, Central Idea is going to be our focus, just like last week was Central Idea. We'll read chapter 13 on Wednesday, play a little Kahoot game. Then on Thursday, we will read chapter 14, watch a little video on the IBM 604, which is a computer that they talk about in chapter 14. And then in chapter 15, we'll read that, talk about Central Idea, and then also watch a video on Sputnik, which again is a topic that comes up in chapter 15. So that is your weekly roundup for Literature 7 for this week.